tape walkthrough for my client. As I mentioned to you, they are buying and they are closing in a week here at the Waxhaw Landing. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour of their home. We just did a blue tape walkthrough, so you see a lot of blue tape, but at least you get an idea on what the house looks like. So come on, let's go check it out. A lot of stuff happening in the neighborhood. You are greeting with an open area. Look at that, how open that is. Gas stove, open island, the garage, got it with the 50-gallon, very open this side, and you got an open loft area. Then on this, you have your second bedroom. Your closet. You have a full bath here. Primary bedroom. Look how spacious this is. Very, very spacious master bedroom. I mean, look, you have a his and her sink here, tile, bathroom. You have your shower, very spacious shower area. You have another linen closet. The toilet room. So this one here for my client is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, about 2,500 square foot, open concept. We just got done doing the blue tape and they're closing next week. So I just want to kind of walk it through, give you an idea on how it looks while in construction. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video very much. I just wanted to kind of give you an idea on what Waxhaw Landing has to offer. It is a beautiful community. They're planning on having 500 homes in this community. I'm on my way out. I'll turn the camera around and do another quick tour of the community before I'm out. But I hope you enjoy it. If you have, they have a lot of incentive going on in this community. They have a lot of incentive by the rate down to, I believe, 3.9%. So if you're interested, give me a call, 704-904-5152. I'll get you in contact with the builder and let's get you a home in Waxhaw Landing. I love this community so much. 500 home. They have the pools, they have the cabanas, they have everything you wouldn't want in a community for a family. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any question. Again, this is one of those communities that I will highly recommend, the Waxhaw Landing. If you have any other question, give me a call, 704-904-5152. It has so much to offer. And the good news is you want to get in before it's all completed because the price will keep going up. What they say, early bird get the worms. You want to get in as soon as possible so you don't miss the worms. Okay? Alright, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys next time.